Good evening, everybody. This is Janki, and welcome to my YouTube channel JK Arena. So, our today's topic is people of which state speaks which language. So, start करते हैं. According to the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution, there are 22 languages, and these 22 languages includes Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, मणिपुरी, मराठी, नेपाली, ओडिया, पंजाबी, संस्कृत, सिंधी, तमिल, तेलुगु, उर्दू, बोडो और बोडो, संथाली, मैथिली and Dogri. This is me. My name is Janaki Saran. First state is the Andhra Pradesh, and official language is Telugu. And apart from this Telugu language, other language includes Urdu, Hindi, Tamil, and Marathi. Next one is the Arunachal Pradesh, and official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English, and apart from English language, other language includes Nisi, Bengali, Nepali, and Hindi. Next is the Assam, and official language is Assamese or English, and apart from these two languages, other language includes Bengali, Hindi, Bodo or Bodo, and Nepali. Next is the Bihar. Hindi is the official language of Bihar, and um, apart from this Hindi language, other language includes Maithili, Urdu, and Santali. Next one is the Chhattisgarh, and official language of Chhattisgarh is Hindi. And apart from this Hindi language, other language spoken in this state is Odia, Bengali, Telugu, and Marathi. Next is the Goa. Konkani is the official language of Goa, and apart from Konkani language, other language spoken in this state is English, Marathi, Kannada, and Urdu. Gujarat. Gujarati is the official language of Gujarat, and apart from Gujarati language, other language includes Hindi, Sindhi, Marathi, and Urdu. Haryana. Official language is Hindi, and specifically Haryanvi and Mewati. And apart from these two languages, Punjabi and Urdu is also spoken. Himachal Pradesh. Hindi is the official language of Himachal Pradesh, and apart from this Hindi language, other language includes Punjabi, Nepali, Kashmiri, and Dogri. Jharkhand. Hindi is the official language, and other language includes Santhali, Maithili, Oriya, and Bengali. Next is the Karnataka. Kannada is the official language, and apart from this Kannada language, other language includes Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, and Marathi. Next one is the Kerala. Malayalam is the official language of Kerala. Apart from this language, Tamil, Tulu, Kannada, and Konkani is also spoken. Madhya Pradesh. Hindi is the official language. Apart from this language, Marathi, Urdu, Sindhi, and Gujarati is also spoken. Maharashtra. Marathi is the official language, and other language includes Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, and Telugu. Manipur. Manipuri is the official language of Manipur, and apart from Manipuri language, other language includes Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, and English. Next one is the Meghalaya, and English is the official language of Meghalaya, and apart from English language, Khasi, Garo, Bengali, and Nepali is also spoken. Next one is the Mizoram. Mizo, English, and Hindi is the official language of Mizoram, and apart from these three languages, other language includes Manipuri and Chakma. Nagaland. Official language of Nagaland is English. Apart from this English language, other language includes Naga, Hindi, Assamese, and Manipuri. Next is the Odisha. Odia is the official language of Odisha, and apart from this language, Bengali, Urdu, Hindi, and Santali is also spoken. Punjab. Punjabi is the official language of Punjab, and apart from this Punjabi language, Hindi, Urdu, English, and Bengali is also spoken in the Punjab state. Rajasthan. Hindi is the official language of Rajasthan, and especially Rajasthani language. But Rajasthani language doesn't have script, and other language includes Punjabi, Urdu, Sindhi, and Gujarati. Sikkim. Official language of Sikkim is English, Other language includes Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, Urdu, and Punjabi. Tamil Nadu. Tamil is the official language of Tamil Nadu. Apart from this language, Telugu, Kannada, Urdu, and Malayalam is also spoken in the state of Tamil Nadu. Next one is the Telangana. Urdu or Telugu is the official language of Telangana. Other language includes Marathi, Kannada, or Hindi. Tripura. Bengali or Logbodok is the official language of Tripura. Other language includes Assamese, English, and Manipuri. Uttar Pradesh. Hindi is the official language of Uttar Pradesh. Other language includes Urdu, Punjabi, and Nepali. And in Hindi specifically, Awadhi and Bhojpuri is spoken. Uttarakhand. Hindi is the official language, and in Hindi specifically Garhwali, Kumaon, and Jaunsari is spoken. And apart from this Hindi language, other language includes Urdu, Punjabi, and Nepali. Next one is the West Bengal. Bengali is the official language. Other language includes Santhali, Hindi, Urdu, Nepali. Next one is the Union Territories of Andaman and Nicobar. Bengali is the official language. Other language includes Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam. Next one is the UT of Chandigarh. Hindi is the official language, and Punjabi, Urdu, and Nepali is also spoken in the UT of Chandigarh. Next one is the Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Gujarati is the official language, and other language includes Hindi, Marathi, and Konkani. Next one is the Delhi. Hindi is the official language of Delhi. Other language includes Punjabi, Urdu, Bengali, and Maithili. Next one is the UT of Kashmir. Kashmir is the official language. Other language includes Urdu, Hindi, and Punjabi. Next one is the Ladakh. Ladakhi or Photi is the official language of Ladakh, and other language includes Punjabi, Urdu, and Hindi. Next one is the Lakshadweep. Malayalam is the official language of Lakshadweep, and Tamil, Hindi, Bengali, and Urdu is also spoken. Next one is the Pondicherry. Tamil is the official language, and other language includes Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, French, and English. So this was all about today. So how was it? Comment in write in comment section, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel JK Arena. Thank you so much.